The Bangladesh Women's Association has successfully held its first Jubilee Sports Day at the Jubilee Park in Tipton. The event brought together people of Sandwell with the aim to increase sports participation, inform residents about existing services and get the community involved in the planning and design of new sports development programs. The event was sponsored by SMBC Neighbourhood Directorate in Tipton, Renee C, Sandwell College, Black Country, Be Active Partnership, Sports to Work, M5 Motors, Murray Hall Trust and Bangladesh Women's Association's Positive Activities Program. At the event, residents also benefit from one-to-one conversation and information on a number of sports development programs currently delivered in Sandwell, such as Sandwell College Cricket Academy and Beat the Streets. There was also a special launch of sportsinformationpoint.com. The chief guest at the event, Councillor Derek Rowley, said,
"What we want to see, of course, is more and more of the younger generation taking part in that right across the community. So not only do we get people fitter, healthier, less overweight, that we also get the community cohesion of all, all different races coming together and enjoy, in a day of sport and enjoying themselves."
The Chief Executive of Bangladesh Women's Association, Councillor Saida Khatun, MBE, said,
The Bangladeshi community in particular are very poor in health-wise, whether it's male or female. There's a lot of problems with heart problems, obesity and a lot more. So really taking part in sports would help them. So that's the aim of today.
After the events were completed, those who participated were given prizes and all participants enjoyed taking part in the activities very much, as they all agreed that this event will benefit the community greatly.
We are Royal Strikers, trying to get everybody together and play a cricket game. So youngsters that are sent is always exciting.
It's a fantastic event, so obviously credit to everyone that's put this on. We're actually here participating as well. A very good community event, very well organised, great to see so many people out.
Reported by Media Point Birmingham.